You're peeing. You're in the bathroom. I'm about to surprise you now. You've also made it very hard to do.
Happy birthday, dear Karl. Happy birthday to you.
So this is Karl's going to order at Bruno's. Bruno's is much bigger, but we make do what we can. Did you expect it? Cute. Could be better. Finally let my hair out. It's already a successful beginning. This is what happens when you can't physically meet your friends.
Take this one.
I'll take this one.
Take one.
Yeah.
One more.
How's the blue one, Kevin?
On two separate tables today. Mariam, you can eat that.
Hello.
I'm sorry. Oh, I don't know yet. I will determine that when I edit.
Happy birthday, Karl.